Got a speeding ticket in Austin? Let's walk the entire process, start to finish, using the City of Austin Municipal Court as our example, so you see exactly how it works. Before anything, check the gates. Austin lets you dismiss with a course only if you are going under 25 over and under 95. You don't hold a CDL, you've got a valid license and insurance, and you haven't taken the course in the last 12 months. And you have to ask before your appearance date. Miss that date and you lose the option. Step 1. You have to ask the court's permission first. Download Austin's driving safety course request form and submit it before the date on your citation, by email, fax, mail, or in person. You'll enter a no contest plea and pay the court cost. Don't just pay the ticket online, that's a guilty plea, and it kills the dismissal. Here's the real math. Austin's court cost is $144, $169 in a school zone. On top of that, you pay for the course itself, around $28, and a copy of your driving record, about $12. That's the whole bill. Step 2, and this trips people up. Wait for the court to approve you before you start the course. Until they confirm, your request can still be rejected. So don't start early. Check the Austin Court portal about a week after you submit and begin once you're approved. Step 3. Once you're approved, take a TDLR-approved 6-hour course. They're all the same 6 hours by law, so pick on price and convenience. Road ready. Safety is $28, fully online, with an instant certificate the moment you finish. Step 4. Send the court your proof. Order a certified Type 3A driving record from Texas DPS, about $12 online, and submit it together with your course certificate. In Austin, you send these by email, fax, mail, or in person. There's no upload portal. One Austin-specific catch. You get 90 days to finish, but the clock starts the day the court processes your request, not the day you mailed it. So check the portal for your actual deadline, and don't cut it close. Do those 4 steps and the ticket's dismissed. No conviction, no insurance hit. See if you qualify and start your course at roadreadysafety.com/Texas/Austin.